bro.
Hey, man, hey. Fuck around like that. This shit fucking hurts, bro, man. Don't fuck around, man.
Where do I jump, bro? Up here?
Yeah, like up in the front, bro. But don't put your feet real close to me because that shit hurts, bro.
I used to do this for a living. Okay, bro. Wait, it's really... Keep going, bro. Yeah, good job.
I'll go lower back, bro. Lower back.
Oh, you want me to go low?
I don't want to get too low. I'm going to be stepping on your ass. It's okay.
Joseph, shut the fuck up.
Okay, Rowan. Keep going.
Is that the plank on the ground?
So we get the drums. The blood feet are sore now. Joseph, shut the
Let my daddy know.
I was just walking out.
Don't go, man, like, fuck, man. Ain't no fucking joke, bro, man. Fucking back is, like, really fucked up, cuz, man.
Sorry.
I like Allison, bro, but fuck, she's too... I like Allison, bro, but she's too heavy, bro, man. That's why I want somebody lighter, bro, man.
Well, you should have gone Ethan next time. Ethan, he's coming, he's doing some shit. He's taking my job away.
Fuck, but that felt good, though, bro, man. Holy fuck, man. I haven't cracked my back in, like, fucking... Holy shit, like 2 weeks, man.
I used to do it in my fucking school down.
I just feel all fucked up.
Now we graduated.
Oh man, but that feels good though, man.
Feel better?